I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Samsung Health app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on my page down here. So when you click here on my page, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then when you go down, you come here to consent to the processing here of health data. You click in this sign or this color. Then like you see color, it's gone. When you click it, so it's gone with us now. When you click on it, you click here on withdraw and delete data. Then you click here on withdraw and delete data here. Then it's going to disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Like you see now, it's disabled with us now here.